Hey everyone, haven't done a HSP rally video in a while, and this is pretty much the reason why. I mentioned it in one of my videos that I took it to the track and I totally destroyed the body. And I have to say, these bodies are awesome. These are probably one of the best RC bodies that come stock. I did wreck it and I bandaged it up the first time in the front, but I took a major jump and it didn't survive. So I was kind of bummed about that because I love the body a lot. It's super good quality. But I was able to find a replacement, and they just came in today. So let me move this over and show you what I got in. It came in pretty decent packaging compared to a lot of the other things that come in. So I picked these up from AliExpress. I'll put the details in the description below, or I'll put the link in the description below. And I really had some doubts on how this was going to come out, but it made it in and I'm super happy. So again, these are some of the best bodies that come stock. These are the original HSP Coup Tiger bodies. The thing is, in the description when you buy them, they do mention that you have an option of buying one or two bodies. I went ahead and bought two. I think they were around $65 for the both of them. And they do say that it does come with randomly. I was hoping I'd get the green one. They do have a green one like this, but not a problem. I think these are pretty cool. And let me show you. There's the Coup Tiger, which is what these are also known as. But here's the first body, and this is really sturdy. So sticker set, spoiler, and body, and this one the same. You got your sticker set. There it is, so you can see. There's the spoiler, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get this set up and thrown on the RC so I can start running this guy again. And man, super happy this came in. All right, thanks for watching.